Hi everybody, this is Deborah here from West Coast Sweat. I'm here today to talk to you about beast plank. So, find ourselves in tabletop here. So very important in the structure of our posture. We want to make sure that our knees are directly underneath our hips. Tuck your toes and then find your shoulders stacked over your elbows over your spreading your fingers nice and wide. So here we want to press up until our knees are just barely off of our mat. Very important here, watch my back. So you want to make sure that instead of arching your back like this, you want to pull your belly in, arch through your upper back, really pull it nice and deep, beat your knees down nice and up. Now our second part, we'll bring our knees right in and up, easy elbow right in the middle, and then you want your hips in and up. Keep your knees down low, reset, down in the center every time, pulling, strengthening, activating through your upper back, supporting your shoulders. In. Notice how every time my knees return down, I'm making sure that they hover right below my mat, really working your entire body, working your core nice and strong. So that is our beast plank. If you guys have any questions, please post them below in the comments. I'm Deborah from West Coast Sweat, and I will see you soon on your mat. Have a great one.